Hey there! Welcome to Taoti Creative Studio, right here on Barracks Row in the heart of Capitol Hill. People ask us all the time, what is it like inside the shop? So we thought we'd give you a behind-the-scenes peek in 360. Come on in and look around while we take you on the 50-cent tour. While we're here in the reception area, a place we like to call Taoti Cafe, check out our award piano. Lots of places have trophy cases, but who has an award piano? Pretty cool, right? We care a lot about great work and great culture, and nothing proves a point like some shiny hardware. Here on the first floor, we mainly have our biz dev team. This team is first rate and always has their eye on the prize. Let's stroll through and see what they're up to.
I don't think that's how.
Brent founded Taoti back in 1996, and his office is just through this door. Let's pop in and say hello.
Brent, wake up, they're filming. Oh, damn it, Jeff, where are those TPS reports?
Okay, we'll catch up with Brent again when he's a little less busy. Let's check out the Taoti Lab and see what our makers are up to. This is our Taoti Lab, where we build everything from Twitter-powered bubble machines to VR shoots like this one. We even have a smart kegerator that can reorder itself when we're about to run out of beer. We have a training lab down here as well. At the moment, it looks like we're working on a photo shoot of some 3D printed buildings for a fictional city that we're featuring. I know it seems like a lot of fun and games, but bridging the digital and physical worlds really helps us do amazing things for our clients. It's how we really move the needle. Except for the Mario Kart. That's just fun and games, but hey, you gotta settle the office grudges somehow, right? Let's wander upstairs and see what the rest of the team is up to. Looks like we've joined a meeting in progress. This is where a lot of the magic happens, where we breathe as much innovation as possible into our work and ask questions like, wouldn't it be better if... Let's head upstairs to our roof deck. Sometimes the roof is just a great place to work al fresco. And sometimes it's a great place to blow off steam. On days like today, when it's almost too hot for the roof deck, we like to take things to the water. Welcome to the Pescatore. Legend has it, that means kick-ass agency in Italian. But we don't want to give you the wrong impression. While we love our perks like Nerf guns and kegerators and boat parties, the culture here is about doing great work, high-quality, innovative work that really moves the needle. We hope this gives you just a bit of insight behind the scenes at Taoti. And if you're ever in our area, drop by and say hi. And even if you're not, follow us on Twitter and Instagram to keep up on all of our hijinks, shenanigans, and most importantly, the great work we're putting out. Thanks for joining us on our tour.